Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And firstly I just want to apologise for the lack of uploads in the last month. I've been rather busy sorting out other things. I have been working on like 3 or 4 videos at once, and it got to the point where I needed to make more space in the garage here. So I've been putting up a fake wall to put some better shelves up and everything else. I've extended the workbench here. I've put my diesel heater in and I've permanently fixed that. Hopefully you'll notice a difference with the audio as well. I've got myself a little mic, a DJI mic to match with the camera now. I've started putting just a little bit of OSB wood up as a ceiling to help with the drips of the condensation. Over the winter I've put like a little barrier under the garage door. And a few other little bits, but I'll show you now what I've been up to. So let's just grab the camera and show you what I've been doing. Right, so first thing you'll notice, okay, is I've put this stud wall up. Goes, well, it's not a stud wall, sorry, it's just like battens with 11mm OSB on it. After that rain out there. I've moved all my switch panels. Bring you up here and show you. I've moved all the switch panels here. They used to be on this bit of the wall just there, but now it's all there. Looks a lot tidier. I've done all that. I've got myself a new radio just here. That's MP3, USB, Bluetooth, and a radio all in one. What else have I done? I've got all the new shelves up the top along here. I've started, this is just a temporary thing for now. I'm working on this as we go, but I need, like I said, I needed space to continue to do the job on the ST, and I had to redo it all. So I've got my bench grinder now here, ready to go. I've got a little light here that I've put in, so when I'm working here, okay. Like I said, I've got all the shelves up the top here in. I've put some other speakers in, ready to go. Let me show you. I've still got the back. I've got couple more sheets to put in here and here. I am going to get some installation, whether it be polystyrene or some Kingspan. I'll have a look around, see if I can get some of that to help keep it warm out here. I've moved my Ryobi, the multi-charger from here to here. There's the diesel heater. Now, for those that remember, the Ryobi charger was on that back bit there, but I've put this here now. Got the exhaust all the way underneath here. I've extended it about my leg, and it goes all the way up here, but it's not long enough. So I'm going to have to get another 3 metre length to run along the top and out the back there. That's all the wood that was up as the shelving in that corner there. So I'm moving it all around. I'm going to be changing that area over there. I'm going to be putting my dartboard up over the back. Back over to the diesel heater. This it works lovely. I've put it on a switch. We've still got a little bit of water coming in. You know, it's not as bad as what it was, but I can position this wherever I want. So it's pointing under the car when I'm underneath here at the moment, and it does work really well. When it gets really cold out here, I will do a full-blown test. I'll put my thermometer up here so I can keep an eye on the temperature. At the moment it's 8 degrees out here. I can't really see my breath. But now I've got all this extra space and work space, I can now crack on with the ST. So it's been a bit of a headache the last month, sorting all this out and getting it up bit by bit, because I've had to move things out of the garage, purchase a few extra little bits to put it up. I mean, this board here, it's got the threaded inserts as well and stuff like that, so if I need to get behind it I can just take it down without weakening the wood with screws. What else is going on? Yeah, it's not a lot really. I've just been working away at creating more space to work. And yeah, this is what I've come up with so far. I'm slowly working my way along, like I say, along the back here. I'm probably going to do something with the back wall there as well at some point. And I may even do something with the garage door. So when I pull that down and I have the heater on, you know, it'll help keep the heat in. I'm not expecting this diesel heater or anything like that to get me like 20 degrees in or anything. But if it can take the nip off, you know, being out here, it'd be a lot better. So yeah, I've not forgotten anything. Okay, just been busy, like I say, sorting all this out. I filmed little snippets of this that I can put together in a video if you want to see me do this sort of stuff, because it's not car related, and I try not to, if I can help it, put non-car related stuff on the channel. But if you would like to see some of that sort of stuff, then please by all means let me know, and I will start doing that. And I've started doing the YouTube shorts just to try them out to see how they'd work, like once a week on a Wednesday or something, like a midweek short of progress. Oh, that rain now coming down. Okay, so, you know, yeah, if you want more of that sort of, this sort of content, where what I do here with all this sort of stuff, with wiring, I've also upgraded the solar panel as well. I've got 300 watt solar panel up there now. So yeah, I've got more bench space now to work, as you can see. So, a little light through there, it's all good. So, oh, one other little thing before I forget. I have moved my batteries off the ground. So they're not directly on the floor no more. They're actually in, you know, like that. So 240 amp hours of deep leisure batteries. I've put in the 12 volt kill switch just there for the inverter as well. So it's all good. This actually slides out, I forgot to mention. I've got to make a little bracket for here. So when I need to fill it up with diesel, I can slide it out. There's a little hinge here, so I can pull it out, top it up. And stuff like that, silly little things. But this will make a massive difference, I hope. And yeah, but I've not forgotten, I have been doing the ST video. I've got another video coming up on the Mark IV. I have filmed, like I say, some snippets of me doing this work here, if you would like to see it. But it's entirely up to you guys. I mean, I put this content out for you guys on the car. We're all enthusiasts of the ST, you know. So yeah, it's my take on doing projects. You know, everyone does things differently, and what I don't know, someone else might know. So you can put in the comments what you'd do differently, or how you'd progress with things, or what your experiences are. So yeah, fingers crossed everyone enjoys it. So, and it all helps. But I'm going to leave it here for now. But I just wanted to jump in and update you. I am doing a video now, finishing off the next part of this with the de-rusting. That's all done. I've started to put some vac can in. I'm filming that as we go. It is getting cold, you can see my breath. So yeah, that video will be up online in the next week, hopefully. Why is it, there's water dripping everywhere in here? Oh, it's because it's come off the exhaust up here, look, it's dripped down onto there. But yeah, all this is going to be replaced. So anyway, I've rabbited enough now. We've got loads of rain coming down. And I'm going to go indoors and get this video online. I'm just trying to work out where this water's dripping from, but it doesn't look like it's come off the exhaust when I've turned it off and all the condensation from it. So I'll have to dry that. But if you like the new audio and stuff like that, you know, it's clearer. I've got another light beside the camera, so I'll get more light into my face, stuff like that. But oh, I'll quickly show you. Actually, sorry, it's a bit of a hodgepodge video, but you can see where I've been treating it under here. I've put that light up there like that, so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I've decided what the plan is. Treat this middle section here, put all the new brake pipes, and then treat this section here. So do it in 2 sections. We are getting there with it. So yeah, happy with that. But there's an old solar panel there. There's water running down over the back of there. You can see it there, look, on the wall. So I have to sort that out as well. There's always something to do. Yeah, so there's always things to do out here. You know, I'd love a bigger unit, but beggars can't be choosers. At least I can work in the dry. At least I'm not getting wet. Maybe a little bit cold. The diesel heater hopefully will help with that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. But for now, cheers guys. Cheers for the continued support. And yeah, if you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. Okay, and I'll see you shortly with a video on the progress with the ST. So, see you later guys, bye.